It can be frustrating when your iPhone 14's camera has issues recognizing faces, barcodes, or other objects you want to photograph. But some troubleshooting can typically get object and scene detection working properly again. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Close the camera and reopen it. Closing and reopening the camera app can help reset the app and camera components, clearing any software glitches that may be preventing object detection. Restarting the app forces it to reload, providing a fresh start that may resolve any issues. To do that, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop in the middle. You'll see the apps you used recently. Look for camera and then swipe up on its preview to close it. After doing that, launch the camera and try to see if it can now detect objects. Restart your iPhone. Restarting the iPhone closes all running apps and processes, shutting down and restarting the device. This clears out any memory issues or software glitches that could be interfering with proper camera function and object detection. To restart the device, press and hold the side button and either volume buttons until the slider shows on the screen. Drag the slider to the right to turn your iPhone off. After a few seconds, press and hold the power key until the Apple logo appears, and then wait until it finishes the reboot. Check the camera settings. One of the reasons why this problem occurs is when the camera settings were changed, so you have to double check if that's the case. To do that, launch Settings, and then scroll down to look for camera. Once found, tap on it. On the next screen, look for the option, Scan QR codes, and then tap the switch next to it to enable it. Do the same to show detected text. Then scroll down a bit to look for scene detection, and once found, tap the switch to enable it. With these settings enabled, try to use the camera again to see if the problem is fixed. Clean camera lens. Cleaning the camera lens removes any dust, fingerprints, or debris that may be physically blocking the lens. With a clear, unobstructed lens, the camera can properly focus and detect objects in the frame. Gently wipe the iPhone 14's rear camera lens with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust, smudges, or debris that could be interfering with object recognition. Update the firmware. Updating to the latest iOS software ensures you have any bug fixes or improvements that Apple has released for the camera. Newer software versions may contain optimized camera drivers or algorithms that improve object detection capabilities. To check for an update, launch Settings and then tap General. Select Software Update and then allow your iPhone to scan for new updates. If there's an update available, download and install it to see if it fixes the problem. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings restores the iPhone and camera app to their original factory condition, clearing any problematic settings that may affect the camera. This gives the camera app a fresh start, which could resolve any software issues causing object detection problems. To reset all settings on your iPhone 14, launch the Settings app and then select General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and then select Reset. Select Reset all settings and then follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed with the reset. After the reboot, continue using the camera to know if the problem is fixed. If not, then you should consider doing the factory reset or having your iPhone checked. We hope that this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.